Using GROUPBY in a query function helps extract specific data from your spreadsheet and display it in a small table where values can be put into their specific groups. This data set contains a small sample of survey responses concerning the 2012 United States presidential election. Let's say we want to know how many participants had each response to Q1, question 1, which asked how interested they were in the 2012 election. To create this query, first select a cell beneath your data. This is so the query information can form a table. Then type equals query, open parentheses, A2 colon H11 to show that this is the range of cells we're working with. Then comma, quote, select count A to count the participants, then a comma to show that we're putting in a separate subformula, then E group by E. This is because we want the first column to count the number of participants, but we also want the second column to display their responses, and the group by part separates the count by the value in column E. Click Enter and your query table will form, showing that 3 participants answered somewhat interested and 6 answered very. So let's look at this one more time. We're selecting count A, so we're counting the values in column A, and then putting a comma to say that we're putting another formula in here, so it creates a second column. And this formula is going to contain the values of E, so it's going to contain the actual text from the E column, and it's grouped by E. So it matches how many, the count of column A, that corresponds to each of the responses in column E.